Hi, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video, I will show you how to navigate through the Orders tab. Okay, so Orders tab is here, and in this tab, you can basically find every order that you've created and that someone worked on, and you can filter all the orders and access them easily. So now, what do we have here? First thing you can see when you enter this tab is all the orders you have. You have here status of the order, you have ID Prodio, image if you added one, product name, then external order ID, how many days are left to finish this product, this order. You have exact due date, client, and you have also information like, for example, how many products are already done and how many of them should be done. Manufacturing tasks assigned to this order, raw materials, material status, work time, notes for all, net, gross price, product group. You have also package method, additional names, confirmed date, notes hidden from production, price, tax rate, even currency, size, and date of creation. So as you can see, you have all this basic information here. And what is important, you can filter all these orders by this information you have. So you can, for example, filter by product, and then you can filter, for example, by some specific client. Then when you click on actions, you have options as view, to just show this order, edit, and then close, cancel, or remove the order. You can duplicate it, schedule, print it, and open in the new tab. Then when you look here, you have option to view cancelled and closed orders. And you have the option to show only the overdue orders. So now, as you can see, there are only overdue orders left. Here you can also choose how many orders will be shown per page. What else you can do from here is you can export one or more orders. You can print them, print confirmation, and you can cancel, remove, or close and schedule many orders at the same time. You can also scan the code so that you can easily search for some specific order. And you have advanced filters. So here you have access to, from here you can just filter all the orders by all of this data that is shown here. And you can also adjust this tab to your needs. Like, for example, maybe you don't need product name or external order ID, but you would like to see your client's name here. So you just click Save. And as you can see, it changed. So you can adjust it to your needs. We have really many options here. Then in settings, you can view cancelled and closed orders, You can check to display files attached to orders on production, add products while importing orders from the file, add additional information product files to export, and additional order files to export. And probably the most important thing, when you click on any of these orders, you will get the detailed information about this specific order. But if you would like to learn more about this, then watch our next video. This is it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.